Ruteando allá en Peñasco, Califas y Oklahoma. También por el Nuevo México vieron toda la bola. Convoy bien mamalones con trailer bien al vergazo, cargando juguetitos pa' marcarles bien el paso.
Marca Luis Vuitton es lo que vamos portando. Vidrios polarizados pa' que no anden preguntando. Leteando bien macizo en la ciudad van recorriendo. Y si fallan los frenos tranquilos que van sonriendo. Todos saben quiénes somos pues guachan la caravana. Los muebles de alta gama y la playa está alterada. Cargando en la madera la clica pa' donde va. Puro Races y Canam que se van a la vida.
What's happening? What's happening? It's your boy Romero, back with another quick little video. Be sure to like and subscribe. So, I got a call this morning from my boy Mitch Mike out there in, he's out there from Fort Worth and Dallas area. A lot of you may know him. He used to work for Gas Monkey Garage with Richard. So if you ever need a kill switch, hit him up. I got him on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, all that shit. That way your car don't end up getting stolen, especially if it's a Hellcat. So, Miche Mike, he calls me, he hits me up. He's like, hey Romero, I got the brightest idea. And I was like, what idea? And he's like, let's go ride. And I was like, have you seen how cold it is outside and how snowy it is outside? And he's like, yeah. And I was like, bet, let's get it. So we got this chat where we got everybody on there, the whole TNB, and everybody was like, I don't know. So we're just gonna go out there for a little and see what happens. But yeah, hopefully we don't get into too much trouble out there. But it has been snowing quite a bit. We got this little Ford truck today. This is the one that I used to use back in the day when I was a youngster. I'll stop everything besides this truck. It's my favorite truck. A lot of people don't like it because they say that it's got a 6.4 diesel, but if we blow it, we could just always put a Fleming's and make it into a Cummins diesel. It's a pretty nice little truck, but like Gay Farrell said, it just needs a 20-inch lift. Gotta let the coils warm up. We almost to the shop. We finna hop in the Richie Rich and me and Mike at the river. Hopefully the other cats will hit us up right now and see if they could join us, but I don't know. I feel like everybody's home right now, drinking tea and just chilling at the crib.
I'm in the game, I was on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. First it with the Beamer, now I want the Benz. Spending all the back like here I go again. Outside says the chirp, now the camera phone. Told you I'ma make, keep the channels on. Why you acting different when the camera's on? Why you acting different like your paper long? 8 day wake up and I thank God. Bad decision got you wishing you could say nah. My city gritty, you could get hit any day now. On my mama, I'ma move my family way out. With some 20s, 50s, hundreds, thousands, millions, billions, trillions, zillions. I'm talking Amazon money, talking so much money I could mess around and.
What's happening?
We outside.
You already know what's that?
Hella outside.
So we woke up this morning and we had the brightest idea. We had a stroke of brilliance and we decided to come out here.
We outside.
As you can see, we're getting ready for it to go ride, and we about to get jiggy.
Hella jiggy.
Nasty status.
The nastiest. Ah, shit, let's get it.
Alright, ready, set, action.
We outside with it. You already know, we already know. TMB outside every day.
We need to take a winky.
Hey, them TMBs, they don't stop for nothing.
He's gotta take a winky.
We brought a Catwoman.
Buy Amazon. I been winning, I'm like, why me? I heard these labels wanna buy me. I don't need you, boo, I style me. I roll G's and they grind me. Now I'm on my game, nothing is the same. Who am I to blame? Money made me change. Cardi in my ring when I'm switching lanes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Now I got a buck for all those rainy days. Ain't have a day off in like 80 days. I got hustles in like 80 ways. Kids if you won't take a lazy day. Wifey on me told me take a break. I keep going to the paper straight. Then it's trips out to Montego Bay. If I take the job, bet I get it done. I said it before, I'm a one-on-one. I just caught some ones, only wearing ones. Fornicate the funds, money made me calm. Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock a tech. You want that chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it stretch?
been getting jiggy. We at TMB Mountain right now. As you can see, we're pretty much in Mount Everest. But so far so good. These Can-Ams and Razors, they about that shit.
That real shit, huh?
That real shit.
Va a venir Mikey. El Miche Michael. Y un saludo a mi patrón, que allá en el trabajo tengo frío, pero aquí no. ¡Chau, chau!
I don't know what to say.
Do the double salute.
Así.
Let's get it.
Get it. Oh, that was ugly as fuck. Hold on.
You got it, you got it. Let her eat, let her eat. Hey, that jump was, that shit was funny as fuck.
Yeah, you recorded it?
Yeah.
Damn, I missed it. Woo! Fucking slippery, dog. Hey, I hit that jump up. Outside with it all day, every day. Snow, winter, storm, tornado, whatever, hurricane. We outside with it. Like it fucking wreaking havoc. I already know.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Double salute to all the fans.
We out here.
You already know we've been out here getting jiggy.
TMV shit.
All day. As you can see, we're in Jurassic Park right now.
We outside with it. You guys already know what to do. We out here. Jurassic Park shit. Turn and burn shit.
You already know what's going on. We outside. Double salute to all the fans.
We outside, we outside.
As you can see, we're in Jurassic Park right now.
Show them Jurassic Park. Show them Jurassic Park.
It took us a fat minute to get over here, but we did it.
We did it! We did it!
Oh, yeah?
Check it out. As you can see, Jurassic Park.
We outside with it.
You see all those little mountains? You see that crater right there? That used to be a volcano right there. You see that thing right there in the middle? That used to be a volcano. Lava would come out of there.
Dinosaurs used to roam right here.
Exactly.
bump, dice. Que saca el bump.
And then just go, don't go too fast, pero acelérale, con huevos. Yeah, turn to your passenger. Ahí está, dale, rola.
Bloopers or what?
Dale. Ahí está.
Hell yeah, thanks.
Good job, mami.
Great content.
Ay, así nomás quedó,
Así nomás
goddammit. A ver
quedó.
cómo sube ese pinche mugrero.
A ver.
But no, aquí estamos en Garden City, bro, once again, and badass ruta aquí con los Turn and Burn Mafia.
You already know, you already know.
It was cold as shit, dog.
Shout out to all the fans.
We outside.
Primero. It was
Desde
cold
México
as shit,
hasta
man. I
Canadá.
lost my liga to my hair and shit.
No.
Pinche greña toda suelta.
Yeah,
Bye, está chido. We'll see you guys on the next video. I don't know if I'm gonna stay another day, but.
Y recuerden, plebada, hagan pesos, no pesos porque a las plebitas no les gusta andar en camión con un mamado. ¡Chu, chu, chu!
Llegó la mafia de Turn and Burn, directo de Kansas, trailers cargados. Llegó lo bueno de puras trocas, todo terreno.
Bien activados, quemando